Thinking about installing concrete pavers in Chandler? Before you decide, it's important to know the downsides too. While they're affordable and visually appealing, concrete pavers come with their own set of challenges. Arizona's extreme heat can cause cracking over time due to ground shifts and temperature changes. Stains are another common issue, especially from oils or spills, which can be tough to remove. And if you want them looking fresh, regular sealing and maintenance are a must. While concrete may save you money up front, the long-term maintenance and repairs can add up. Understanding these risks can help you make a smarter investment in your outdoor space. For expert advice and high-quality paver installation, reach out to Paradise Hardscapes, Pavers and Turf Installers, Design and Construction, Phoenix, AZ, located at 1930 East 3rd Street, Suite 8, Tempe, AZ 85288. Call us at 4-806-808-278 or visit ParadisePaversandTurf.com. Let's make your landscape work smarter, not harder.